Happy 7th birthday,
Althea. We love
We
you.
love you.
Thea, happy birthday. Ang wish ni Mami sa'yo ay good health, tsaka mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Si Mami tsaka si Daddy nandito lang palagi.
Happy birthday, Thea. Happy 7th birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa gift ni Mami tsaka ni Daddy. Paglaki mo, syempre, lagi mong gagalingan. Lagi rin gagalingan ni Daddy para sa'yo. I love you, Thea.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Thea. Sana lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos and makikinig lagi kay Mommy and Daddy. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Althea. I wish you had a good health and always listen to your parents. Happy birthday, Althea. Sana mag-aral ka ng mabuti.
Happy birthday. I wish you happy and healthy. Yun lang. And always obey your parents.
This is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories.
Hello, Althea. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka ni tita. I love you.
Happy birthday, Thea. Sana lagi makikinig sa magulang mo. At saka, lagi ka magpe-pray. Girl na girl ka na, hindi ka na boyish. 6'7".
Happy birthday, Althea. Alam kong mabuti kang bata. Napaka-masunurin ka. Sana paglaki mo, huwag ka magbabago at sana makamit mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday.
Hi, Althea. Maligayang kaarawan, Thea. Alam ko masaya ka. Sana, alam ko naman mabait ka eh. Kaya, ipagpatuloy mo lang yan, kabaitan mo na yan.
Hello? Hello, everyone. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako. Nagpunta sa aking apo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa aking apo ay good health. Pagtanda ni Tita La, saka ni Lola Ebi, ni Mamu, sana gabayan mo kami at alagaan mo kami. At yun lang. Happy birthday.
Let's pack a bag and follow the sun. Kick off our shoes and have some fun. Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. You and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. You and I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us
birthday,